Percolator. The percolator just works. That's the first thing that comes to me. Like any other coffee machine, the idea is simple. Hot water, time, and coffee. That's all that matters. But here's the thing. When you actually look at this contraption, it's deceptively complicated. You've got the vessel, the coffee basket, the lid to the basket, the holes in the basket that do the actual brewing. Then there's this weird flange at the bottom with a long tube running straight up through the middle, constantly spitting hot water over the grounds. And oh yeah, the sight glass. Something so basic that it might actually be the most important part of the whole machine. Because that little window tells you everything. When the timer kicks in, how dark the coffee is getting, whether you're close or way off. Some people use time, some use color. Personally, I use both. And if you nail neither, just add water. If it's too bitter, dilute it. Done. Here's what I want you to understand though. When you're using the percolator, you're not a brewer. You're an observer. The machine does the brewing. You just show up. Your only real duty in this whole chain is select the coffee, load the basket, watch the perc do its thing, pull it when it's ready, then drink what the machine made for you. That's it. No complicated ratios, no precise pour techniques. Roast degree doesn't really matter. Grind size, surprisingly forgiving. If the heat's too high, pull it earlier. Too low, give it more time. And if something's off, you already know what I'm about to say. Just add water. Now look, I wanted this video to be the definitive ultimate percolator recipe. The one guide to rule them all. But the longer I sat with it, the more I realized that recipe doesn't exist. Because every recipe works. The percolator is just that forgiving. That's not a weakness. That's the whole point. No matter how little effort you put in, or how much, this shiny metal cylinder that runs constant heat from the bottom is going to give you something worth drinking. So I really wish more people would drop the fake outrage about how the percolator makes coffee and just drink it. Just drink the damn thing. Or don't. I'm drinking it, along with every other observer out there doing the same thing every single morning. Every single morning.